everyone, it's Mayel, and today I'm going to be learning how to do makeup for the first time. I've never done makeup by myself. I've always had like my mom do it, and I've watched my mom put on her makeup. I've also asked my cousin where like highlighter and bronzer goes. So I kind of have the general gist of the idea of doing makeup. But remember, I'm no beauty guru. However, I will be giving you a few tips that I have learned. However, there's some things that I don't really know how to do. But yeah, this will be a great challenge to start 2019 off because I'm going to be learning how to do something new in the beginning of the year. Which leads me to today's question of the day. What are your favorite makeup products, or what are your favorite beauty guru tips that you have learned? So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this kit first, and without further ado, let's get straight on to this video. I'm going to start by opening this Becca Prime Bronze and Glow Kit. My cousin got this for me, so I just want to say a huge thank you. So I got this for Christmas, and I've already opened this, but I've never used it, so I'm going to use it today. It has super cute packaging. The box comes with some under eye concealer, primer, bronzer, and highlighter. Being honest with you, when I saw tutorials for like liquid highlighters, I thought they were like actual highlighters until I found out that it was makeup highlighters. So here is the bronzer that came in the package, and here is a highlighter. So that was it for that quick unboxing. Now we're actually going to get into the makeup, but this is a little hard since I can't show my face, so I'll just be explaining what I'm doing. So I'm not going to use the primer today just because I don't really want to waste it. So I'm going to go in with this BB cream, and I use the 120 medium sheer tint. I have my mirror, and since I don't have a beauty blender, I'm going to be applying it with this cosmetic makeup sponge and wedge. And I'm just going to apply some on my finger. And I'm going to apply this onto my cheeks, chin, and like forehead and nose and stuff like that. I put on way too much BB cream. I feel like it's gonna go in my eye. So I have applied the BB cream onto my face with this makeup wedge, and I'm just evening everything out to make sure there's no excess spots of BB cream that I haven't blended out yet. So I'll come back when I'm done. I finished blending it out with the cosmetic wedge. I'll say that I did a pretty good job. I am proud of myself. Like, my skin already looks smooth. Now I'm gonna use a bit of this under eye concealer. I think I'm just gonna go in with this makeup wedge because that makes most sense to me. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and apply it under my eye, since this is specifically called under brightening eye corrector. So I'm just gonna put this under my eye. I've applied it with a makeup wedge, and I'm gonna smooth it out with my fingers. So I finished applying the concealer and foundation slash BB cream thingy. And now I'm going to use this that my cousin got me for Christmas, so thank you. It's this Ulta Beauty Sparkle and Shine collection. And this one has a bunch of highlighters, lipsticks, blush, bronzer, and of course eyeshadows. And what I really like is that this is like a travel kit, so it has a mirror and makeup brushes, which I'll be using. I'm going to be using the highlight that came in the Becca kit. Highlight goes like kind of like by your bone on top of your cheek. I don't know how to describe that. So I am applying the highlight, and you can put highlight on the tip of your nose, on top of your lip, and again by like above the cheeks, I would say. I don't really know how to describe that. No, it makes your skin like pop, and this color is Champagne Pop, by the way. Now I'm going in with some of the Becca bronzer, and bronzer goes like on like your forehead, kind of like on the top of your forehead, on the bottom by like your chin and neck part, and in between your cheekbones. Again, I might not be correct. This is my first time using makeup, so don't trust me at all that, but I'm just explaining you where I'm going to put it. So this may be wrong, but please don't hate me. But I think I'm doing good for my first time, and this is super fun. Oh, I didn't say I'm going for a more natural look or a peachy sun-kissed look. I still don't know. I finished applying the bronzer, and I'm going to apply blush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, and then I'll check back in with you guys once I'm applying the blush. Applying makeup makes me so happy. I have no idea why. It's just so satisfying to see everything come together. Okay, so I've opened this up. I just need to look at the names again. These are blushes. Why did I rate them as highlighter? Oh, then I'm going to go in with the Shimmer Coral Blush, which is this one right here. And you apply blush onto your like squishy part of your cheek. So smile, and like that squishy part will be the part where you put highlighter. And I feel like people are doing that right now, like squishing their cheek. That's just weird though. And so I'm taking that blush. So I have my mirror here and I'm going to apply the blush. So I'm going to switch from the blush brush. I don't really know how to clean these out, but this box came with this little thingy, so I don't know if you like clean it out like this with water or something. I'll be searching this up on YouTube. Okay, so there is an eyeshadow brush and a crease brush. I think I'm gonna use both, even though they both look similar. Do I want to do something on the crease? The crease is like kind of like the top of your eyelid. I feel like I'm gonna go in with just some regular eyeshadow first, even though I think you're supposed to do your crease thing first, I'm guessing, but I'm just gonna go straight on to the eyeshadow. So here are all of the eyeshadows. I kind of want to do this shimmer peach color because these are very natural, so that eliminates these 3 bottom rows, except for the gold. Because we've used shimmer coral and now we're gonna use shimmer peach, so I think it'll go on nicely and it'll match with the rest of our look. So I'm taking my mirror again and I'm gonna apply this onto my eyelid. It's so hard for me to have one eye closed and the other one open, so I'm gonna apply this shimmer peach off camera. So I have applied the eyeshadow and I really like how it looks. I'm just gonna take off the excess powder onto this little thingy because I want to go into the white. I'm going to go into the matte white and I'm going to apply this onto like the inner part of your eye. So it's like the inner part of your eyeball, just because like it's the morning and it'll just brighten everything up. So I'm taking just a little bit of white and I'm going to apply it to the inner. So now it just highlighted like the inner part of my eye and it doesn't look bad, it looks pretty good. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I know you guys can't see, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job for my first time. And I didn't use the eyeliner pencil because I'm not very familiar with it and I don't really want to risk too much, but I'll be using this in another makeup video. Like I said, don't hate on me. I will be cleaning my brushes after this video. But now I'm going to switch over to the crease brush because I'm going to apply a glitter top coat. So on this side we have a bunch of like top coats and brow powder. So here it is. I'm going to go in with this one. This is like a gold or copperish or rose goldish glitter top coat. The names on the packaging were backwards, so I can't really tell you the name for sure, but I'm using the crease brush and I'm gonna go in with the top coat. So I've blended the glitter and the eyeshadow out. So I finished with the eyes and it came out very natural and I really like how it looks. Now I'm going to fill in my brows and I think I'm just going to use the same crease brush. And I'm going to be using the medium brown brow powder, which is this one, and I'm just going to take some, oh that's dark, and fill it in my eyebrows with this. I feel like I filled in my eyebrows way too much and now they look very bushy. It's fine, we learn from this. Next time I'll add less brow powder so that they won't look this thick. It doesn't look bad, but I don't know, I'm just not used to having like full dark brows. So for mascara, I use this Revlon Dramatic Definition one, and I'm gonna add this on my eyelashes obviously because it's mascara. And here's a tip, after you've applied this onto your eyelashes, you can use the leftover mascara left on this brush thingy or whatever this is called onto your eyebrows and it will work as brow gel. But I'm not going to use the rest as brow gel because I already folded my eyebrows with the brow powder. My eyelashes are huge. I think I put way too much, but it's fine. Like, it doesn't look bad, but since I'm not used to like the makeup look, then I find it looking weird. But it's not that bad. It looks pretty good. I'm sad now because we've reached the last part, so I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss, but I feel like this one just make everything come together since I did more of like a goldish copper look. This one says clay, so I'm a little bit iffy about this one. And we're gonna take a risk and use the clay one. There we go. Now this looks better. I really like the overall finished look. it looks really nice actually. Like this is a good look to use if you're going to go out somewhere. It's just very like sun-kissed, peachy, and like copperish and gold. So if you really like those kinds of looks, then I definitely recommend this one. Hands down, I think I did a good job. So that is it for this video. I really like how this look came out. I definitely recommend you using the colors that I was saying throughout the video. Everything was so much fun. This was my first time putting on makeup ever by myself, and I'm very proud of how it looks. It's super fun to film, and I will be making more makeup videos in the future because these are my favorite videos to film now. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Bye!